Hello, in this video I will show you how to change your ROBLOX password. Now it's an extremely easy process. So open your browser and then just go to the gear option. Then go to settings. Now I'm going to tell you about two ways in which you can change your password. So the first way is if you have already logged in inside your account and you already know your password and you just want to change your password. That's the first option. And the second option is that you have completely forgotten your old password and you want to create a new password entirely. So I'm going to show you both of the options. Now, for the first method, to change the password, all you have to do is come to the account page over here. Then click on the pencil icon right over here in front of password, as you can see. Then all you have to do is just simply enter the current password that you have on your account and then enter the new password and then enter the new password again to confirm it and then click on update and your password will be changed. Now, let's say you have forgotten your password and you want to change your password after that. So in that case, what you have to do is just simply click on forgot username or password. Now over here, just simply enter your email to recover your password. So just enter that over here. Now after entering your email address, just simply click on submit over here. And then an email will be sent to you on the registered email address where you will be given a link where you can reset your password. So click on OK. And now just simply check your inbox for the email. So as you can see right over here, I have received the email for resetting my password. Now, all you have to do is just simply click on the reset option over here. And now all you have to do is just simply enter your new password and then confirm that new password. And then just simply click on submit. And after that, your password will be changed. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.